Hi, Jeff Marsacci, and we've got an important comment to make because I hear this all the time. Oh, I don't need a healthcare power of attorney or a living will because my family knows what I want. Well, what they often are saying to me is, I just don't care enough to actually put things in writing, or I'm just trying to avoid the issue. Please don't make me start to think about this stuff. But in an emergency, it becomes critical to have these types of documents in place. Now, you may say, oh, my family knows what I want, but what you mean is your brother knows what you want. But if you're a widow or a widower, or you were just never married and you've got 3 kids, they're not turning to your brother, they're turning to your kids. And meanwhile, Johnny's always talking about nickeling and diming and doesn't want to spend any money. Susie breaks down and cries at every emotional experience, and Tom just happens to be high on drugs all the time. Those are the 3 people who are your family who are making the decision for you. But if you had a healthcare power of attorney, you could have signed it over so that your brother is the one making these important decisions. So avoiding the issue doesn't help. And it becomes all that much worse when you get to something like a living will. The living will is what happens to you if you're on artificial nutrition and hydration, you're on the ventilators and the machines are pumping and the doctors are saying, well, we don't see any hope of recovery, but we can keep you like that as a vegetable for the next 10 years. What do you want to do? Well, if you just kind of leave it up to the 3 kids, you may go, you may not. It just depends on what's going on. Johnny's the one who's talking about money. He's probably going to say, pull the plug. Susie's going to be a crying emotional wreck saying, no, 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 don't do this. And meanwhile, Tom's in the corner high, probably talking to the voices in his head, trying to figure out what's going on. So it's important to have these documents. It really is. And avoiding the issue doesn't do anything. Now, if you want to get more information on how to actually address the issue, please contact our office. We have friendly and caring staff who are able to help, and I promise they're not on drugs. Thank you and have a great day.